Good morning, students. This is Kiran sir's voice, and we are discussing the lesson. So you think you can divide. So till smile wisely. Till here we can complete this lesson, and we understand that the three boys, three brothers quarreling to each other. The sage person came and want to interrupt them. Before that, he asks everyone, "Can I solve your problem? May I help you?" This type of question the sage person asks to the three brothers. So that Rupalal told that, "Oh man, if you want to deal with our problem, go ahead. We have no problem." And also discuss about the we are quarreling about the inheritance and bequeaths. So see next. Here he said, "Take my camel and see how that will help in your sharing." So what is the sage person give additional information? टेक माई कैमल, मेरा भी एक कैमल लेके जाओ, तुमको शेयरिंग में कैमल शेयरिंग में हेल्प हो जाएगी. द होली मैन हेल्ड आउट द रोप फॉर रूपलाल टू टेक. रूपलाल को उसने अपना ऊँट का रोप दे दिया. वी कॉन्ट डू दैट, रिप्लाइड द ब्रदर्स. वी कैन डू दैट, रिप्लाइड द ब्रदर्स. इट इज़ वेरी काइंड ऑफ यू टू मेक दिस ऑफर, but you must now give up your camel. The holy man smiled kindly. So holy man wanted to give a camel to the brothers, but the brothers refused to take the camels because only the wise person giving the camel for the dividing process, and actually they refused. That time the holy man smiled kindly. "No, no, please take it," he said. "If God wills, I shall not be the poorer for it." ओके, तुम ले लो. अगर भगवान की इच्छा है तो मैं एक कैमल से गरीब नहीं बनूंगा. With these words, he gave them the camel. So according to that, saying this word, he gave the camel to three boys, three brothers, to dividing the camel. Now the brothers thanks him and then led the camel to where their own camels were tied. Actually, so this is the wise person give to the camel to the three sons, three brothers, and that's why he become a honest person there. They tied the holy man's camel next to their own camels and then started to make their calculation once again. So what happened here? The holy person gave the camel, and according to that he tied up there where the brothers camels tied up. So that's why this is the calculation process is become easy. With the holy man's camels, they now had a total of 18 camels. So actually they having the 17 camels, and when they take the sage camels, this is the total number of 18. See, after 18 he got the 18 camels, and see here what is the sharing and what is the rules depending here. Rupalal took his share of half, and what is the half camel of 18? That was a 9 camels. So that's why 9 camel Rupalal के लिए. Nattu took a third, and that was a 6 camel. 1/3 means 6. And Lalji took a 9, that was 2 camels. 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 2, 17. This is the process is completed. Now see here, when you discussing about the 18 camel, half of 18, 9 camel, 1/3 of 18, 6 camel, and 1/9 of 18 is the 2 camel. So that's why 9 plus 6, 15, 15 plus 2, 17. The problem is solved out. Now suddenly the brothers stood quite still. They were struck with amazement, and their jaws drop open, for there standing by itself was the holy man's camel. So according to that, the holy man's give the one camel and becoming the number of camel becoming 18, and according to that 18 they solve out the whole problem. So that's why this is the easy way giving the solution, the wise man to the three brothers. The holy man bent down यानी नीचे झुकना. The holy man bent down and took up the rope which was tied to his camel. So after completing this process, they dividing the camel. So that's why the wise man take one camel to went for his home. You see, my friends, he said softly. According to that, the wise person said that, you see, my friends, देखो मेरे दोस्तों, there is no need to quarrel. There is no need to quarrel. Everything can be settled in a friendly manner if we try. So what is the suggestion holy person give here? There is no need to quarrel. वहाँ पर झगड़ा करने की ऐसी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं थी. So that's why he giving the additional information regarding that. Everything can be settled in a friendly manner if you try. अगर आप सही तरीके से प्रयास करते हो तो फ्रेंडली मैनर के साथ भी सॉल्यूशंस सॉल्व हो सकते हैं. एंड दिस इज द वेरी बिग मैसेज फ्रॉम दिस लेसन द वाइज मैन गिवन टू द three sons. He waved goodbye and went his way. उसने गुड बाय कहा और अपने रास्ते चला गया with the camel. So this is the very easy lesson, and according to that the wise person give a one camel becoming a 18, and after that dividing procedure become very easy. So this is the good way, and says that this is the you have to settle in a friendly manner if you try. अगर आप प्रयास करते हो कोई भी प्रॉब्लम, अगर आपके जीवन में भी ऐसे प्रॉब्लम्स आते हैं तो आपको फ्रेंडली मैनर के साथ, कामली, शांति के साथ, पीसफुली मैनरली आपको सॉल्व आउट करना चाहिए. दिस इज द मैसेज फ्रॉम दिस लेसन. ओके, डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? सो दैट्स वाई सी दिस इज द पिक्चर. द ब्रदर्स बिकम वेरी हैप्पी एंड दिस इज द सेज पर्सन टेकिंग हिज कैमल एंड गोइंग टू हिज होम. So that's why this is the lesson. I hope you can understand very well. Okay, so glossary you have to write in your notebook. In next period we discuss about the comprehension. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.